Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sell crypto for fiat on Changelly. Now to change your crypto for fiat currency, you come to changelly.com, click here on sell, and then first you choose the crypto that you will be selling. Okay, so let's say we're selling USDT, but on the Binance Smart Chain Network, okay, BSC. And what you do, okay, you enter the amount. Of course, the minimum is 20.284 USDT. Let's say I want to do about $50 worth, right? And you'll see how much euros you'll receive for that. I'll change this to US dollars, okay? And here you can click on view all offers. So you're seeing the payment method you'll be receiving it on. So we have all of these: ACH, Apple Pay, Google Pay, right? Interact e-transfer, even have PayPal, Revolut, okay, Venmo, Visa, MasterCard. Now some of them you get higher rates. For example, if you go with Revolut, okay, you do get a higher rate. Or you can clear all of them and just see the best ones. Okay, so the optimal one would be this one right here. But I will go with Revolut, and then we'll move to the next step where we basically need to enter our refund address. Okay, basically in case of an issue, then they will go ahead and refund it to the same address. So I'll enter our address for USDT, and then we'll click here on next step. And what they will do, okay, they'll redirect you right here where basically they will go ahead and give you your email address to enter, because we'll be checking out with MoonPay. Okay, so you enter your email address and then hit here on continue. Enter your verification code, agree to the terms, hit continue. Okay, and then you enter your basic details as they appear on the official documents. So basically, these are due to regulatory requirements. Okay, and at the end, what will happen, you just go ahead and, review all the details. You proceed with the payment, right? And it'll give you the address to basically send your crypto to. And once you send it to that address, they'll verify the transaction and they'll send you your fiat currency on your chosen payment method. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.